Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my November empties. Like I've been telling in every video, this is something that I've been doing since the starting of the year and we just have December to go. So fingers crossed, I also do the same thing in the month of December, like by the end of it. These are quite a lot of products that I've emptied out in the month of November. To be honest, these are not as many as I emptied out in other months, but yeah, we still have a couple of things to go through. So now without further ado, let's get started. The very first empty that I have is the Chemist at Play AHA body lotion. This is something that I got during, I think, Nykaa's sale, during the Diwali sale, and I emptied it out completely. It's a really good body lotion, quite hydrating, has no fragrance, but it has subtle shea butter scent because it's got that. It's great for exfoliation, bumpy skin, to make your skin soft and nice. It also comes with a matching body wash, so if you want, you can get your hands on that as well. But this is something that I'll definitely be repurchasing because as much as I love my Bath & Body Works Victoria's Secret scents, I always go back to a lotion like this for those days. So yeah, I'm definitely rebuying this. Next empty that I have is the Ayuga Kashmiri Saffron Face Wash. This is something that I randomly got and I've been using it for, I think it lasted me for good 1.5 months. To be honest, it's actually a very good face wash, surprisingly to be. So this is their Carefully So Saffron Golden Glow Face Wash, and it says it's Kashmiri saffron and jasmine in it. This is how the packaging is. I love the lilac purple packaging. It is slightly expensive. This face wash is for 399 rupees, and the reason I call it expensive is Ayuga products or your Mamaearth products tend to be a little on the affordable side, but they keep on having good sales and I was quite impressed. I have the Ayuga Daily Cream also with me, so I'm still trying it out. I love my Clinique Moisture Surge, you guys know that, so I'm not really able to be consistent with it, but this face wash is something that I might get. Next empty that I have is the Indie Wild Moonlight Scalp Serum. So I think during the Diwali sale, I had got two things. I had got the Indie Wild Chumpy Oil and the Indie Wild Moonlight Serum. I wanted to try out the Chumpy Oil, but I gave that away to my mom and I stuck with the Moonlight Serum. It's pretty good. It's something that I used to use before taking or shower or washing my hair, and I love the packaging. Maybe in the coming haul, I might get the full size Chumpy Oil from Nykaa during the Indie Wild sale offer, whatever they have. But this serum, coming to the serum, it's actually a pretty good serum. You really have to use it consistently for good 2 to 3 bottles to see the difference. But overall, I really liked it. It didn't, weigh down my hair, but I won't even say it did something miraculous. So yeah, I might skip on this and buy the Chumpy Oil. Next, I emptied out the OG Laneige Lip Mask. ये मैंने लिया था last Nykaa के Pink Friday sale पे, like last year 2023, and I emptied it out in 1 year. It's all gone, guys. It took me around 6 months to empty out because I didn't use it for the first 6 months. But it's a beautiful lip mask. I already have a backup of this. I love it so much. I can never ever go without this lip balm. It's always there with me. Everybody loves this in my family. I've given it to my sisters, I've given it to my mom, I've given it to my relatives. They all love it, and it is expensive. I know 1200 rupees का एक lip mask आता है, but it lasts you forever. Next empty that I have is this body oil from Victoria's Secrets. It's the Victoria's Secrets honey oil. I loved their body oil. I tried the coconut one and the honey oil. Sadly, it's out of stock in India and it's not available. They have revamped the packaging. So if you guys want it, you will have to either wait for these to be back in India, but if you're out of India, you can easily get it at buy one get one offer. It's a beautiful body oil. If you're looking for good glowy body oil, try the Victoria's Secrets one, especially the honey oil, the coconut oil, and they've got another new oil in their variant. So all of them are beautiful. They are slightly expensive, like 2000 rupees for a body oil. On buy one get one also you get it for like 1200 rupees because its MRP is like 2200, but it's worth it, and you clearly see I've emptied it out full. The best part about Victoria's Secret's body oil is they are not very sticky oils like coconut oil. They're quite quick absorbing and give you beautiful glow. Next empty I have is the Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 62 perfume. I got the full set of the Sol de Janeiro Discovery set, and yeah, I had got this. I am definitely not buying this scent. The next empty I have is the Indie Wild Lip Treatment. This is one of the best lip treatments that you can find in the market right now. It retails for $7.99. Usually it's out of stock, but whenever you get it in stock, get your hands on this. This one is the 2% vegan butter and peptide lip treatment. Every time, my lips are dry, whenever I use this, they just become so much better. The best part about the Indie lip treatment is you do not have to use it on and on. Once you've used it, you can, reapply it probably after 7 to 8 hours. So that's the best part. Then I finished off the K Beauty eyeliner in the variant Shadow Play. I think I got it as a freebie or something long time back. It was the ashy gray color. Thank God it was not black. And I finished it off. I love the Grunge Raisin from K Beauty. I always recommend it, so I'm definitely buying that one, but not this one. Next empty that I have is the Satin GHC Anti-Acne Gel. This is a beautiful, anti-pimple, anti-acne gel. It actually works and, removes your pimple, makes it like 10 times smaller than what it was. This retails for 4.99 rupees. I have a coupon code with them as well. You can use it. So yeah, this is an anti-acne gel for people who are suffering from acne. Next empty that I have is the 52 Sun Days SPF 50 Clear Glow Mist. This is a sunscreen spray. Ever since I tried the Dot & Key sunscreen, I feel like this is a little bit overhyped. It's pretty normal. It smells like rose water and I didn't see it protecting myself from sun. So I'm gonna skip on it. Next empty I have is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. Of course, it's a cult favorite classic product. Will I buy it again? No, I currently have a couple of other face mists, so I'm gonna stick to that and maybe later on I buy this. Next empty that I have is the Chemist at Play Knee Neck Elbow Brightening Roll-On. Basically, agar aapke elbows dark ho, knee dark ho, you can use this. I've been using it for consistently 2 months. I have noticed a good difference, but I'm gonna skip on it for now. I might not get it now, but yeah, it does show a pretty good difference. If you are someone with extreme dark knees and neck and you want something, get this. I have the Sol de Janeiro empties. This one is the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia Bright Clarifying Body Wash and the Balm Dia Bright Cream. Beautiful, beautiful moisturizer. But the only downside is it's crazily expensive. Like this 50 ml tub is going to cost you 1200 rupees. And this will last you hardly for 15 days. And if you buy the full size one, that is for 4,000 rupees. I know I spoil myself with these products. I bought the underarm deos also of Sol de Janeiro. They are expensive, but they are worth it as well. I would skip on the body wash, but if you are someone who wants to splurge, get their body cream and the underarm deodorant and you're sorted. Next one is the Beauty of Jusant Glow Deep Serum with rice and alpha arbutin. Again, I finished it off. Personally, I found it to be a bit overhyped because I didn't see any difference in my skin after using it. I would rather spend more money and get the Estee Lauder serum because it does work, but this was overhyped. Last two are lip products. I emptied out the Laneige lip balm. Of course, because I emptied out the lip mask, I had to go through this. I love it. I am going to rebuy it. And the other empty was the Etude House Oil Tint. Again, this is something that I've recommended in my lip balms. It's all emptied out. It was a beautiful oil tint and I really liked it. I might get it again, but I really need to get rid of my current tints and then buy it again. But definitely yes. So guys, those were all the product empties for the month of November. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.